Every year we have hundreds of tomato stakes left at the end of the season. We use 3 different sizes of tomato stakes: 48 inch, 60 inch, and 72 inch. And some of the stakes we cut down and make into 2-foot stakes or foot stakes that we use in the garden the following year. But for the most part, we really like to take our used tomato stakes and cut them up for firewood. So some of the pieces we'll cut up small and use for kindling. And you can see after a season, even after being outside, then being cut and just stored from the fall till now, so late October, November till now, they dry out really well. Now we like 2 different types of wood, really. Well, we prefer one, but we can really only get the 2 types. We try to avoid pine or maple. We had bad luck with maple. It didn't seem to last the season, being driven into the ground. And the pine sometimes is knotty, and you know, with all the knots and being cut so small, you know, they're really only about 1.25 inches in thickness. You know, they'll sometimes snap at the knot, you know, with all the weight from the tomatoes. So we really prefer oak, red or white oak. We've had good results with both. Or what we can tend to get in our area is hemlock. We don't like the hemlock as much because it can be really slivery, splintery stuff. So even just splitting it a little bit, or even as a whole piece, will really pick up the wood stove in the morning. The kindling, we really like to get it started using some nice thin dry wood. And the tomato stakes really seem to fit that bill. This is a piece of hemlock. So it's a nice way to get rid of our tomato stakes and repurpose them and get another use out of them. So for one season they'll hold the tomatoes up off the ground, and the next season they'll keep the plants warm until they're in the ground. Thanks for watching.